hike of 5% definitely going to have an impact on the price to be offered to the consumer. That will make the product costlier by 75 to 100 rupees. It has just been announced. Now the boxes are lying in the inventory. A lot of boxes are lying in the active inventory of the MSOs. Certain boxes are in the transition stage, transportation stage. Some might be already moving towards the godown. So we'll have to tackle this increase in the hike of the boxes that are yet to be cleared by the customs. So all that we have to, the trade has to gear up to absorb the shock or has to pass it on. Naturally, we have already subsidized the boxes. There is hardly any capacity for us to absorb this shock. We definitely have to pass it on to the consumer. The deadline of 31st March for DASH Phase 2 seems to be slightly impractical. We need 1 or 2 months extra to ensure that boxes are seeded well in time. Definitely there are challenges, many of challenges, because it involves 15 states and variety of regional language. The super hyper decibel campaign for awareness of consumer has to be taken up. This is yet to click. If you go by the original deadline, only 30 days are left. Then we expect that genre-wise switch-off is the fastest mechanism for seeding, enabling the seeding of boxes. That is yet to be decided or planned. So that also is a major challenge. The third and most important challenge is the interconnect agreement with the broadcasters. That is also yet to happen. That delayed the whole process in phase 1, wherein the suitable packaging couldn't be announced in time, so that consumer can be educated and approached to select the program of their choice, the program that they want to watch. So these are a couple of challenges, and ensuring the availability of set-top box, that of course is challenge that we MSOs in any